been the best 18 months of my life. Massive learning curve. There's been some ups and downs. You spend all these years learning to do a trade. I know how to do the job. I don't know how to run a business. That's what this really was for me. It was to learn how to do the day-to-day runnings of the business and how to actually run it successfully rather than wing it every day, which I have been doing for the last 18 months. When I came to the Academy day, I put all of my sales, all of my costs, overheads, utilities into the spreadsheet. It was quite sad, to be honest with you. That sort of brought me back a little bit, cut down on all the unnecessary expenses, even down to challenging wholesalers. Instead of just going to cities and electric centre, play them off against each other to get the cheapest price. I've made a massive impact, to be honest with you. To say it's gone from me in a car with a couple of hand tools and a couple of drills to where I am now, in the space of 18 months, I've got a van, I've got all the gear, I've got a little unit. I want to keep that achievement going and just build something really reputable. I want to be a known brand in my area. I've missed out on 12 months of profits from before I came here, just by not pricing right and having the confidence to be behind what you are pricing and how you deliver it. I'm currently going through a rebranding. What I've done is I've gone to a local firm. They're completely rebranding my website, they're rebranding the image, they're rebranding everything. I have got business cards and I've got like, the generic-y stuff, but it's all from my old logo. Just screams one man in a band. If you were in a Sparky or if you're selling electrical, why wouldn't you? It's such a good market. Being around the guys that are on the course, I'm a little bit jealous. They're a few steps ahead of me. Like, I want to be in the position they're in. I don't think there's a better industry to be in at the minute, to be honest with you. Everything I've learned so far has been fantastic. Everything I've put into practice has worked. I would definitely recommend it. It's completely changed how I've run my business. Even down to being able to analyse a profit and loss sheet, like a balance sheet. Before, I didn't have a clue. The accountant would give me one at the end of the year and I'd go, that's all right. But now, every month, I know all the variables in the business. I know if we're profitable. Even when I'm forecasting a month ahead, I know what sort of position I'm going to be in. And that's how I got the dared get that other member of staff, because I knew I could afford it. Whereas before, I'd be like, I don't know, no idea.